Chris here from Car Radios in Dorchester. Today we've got this Mk7 Golf in for a radio upgrade. Now the factory radio in here is actually in your glove box, but that's gone faulty. It's not repairable and the customer was quoted well into 4 figures for a new one from VW. So what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade it to the Pioneer 7.7. So this unit has the Pioneer UART interface, which means that any factory vehicle settings with the correct harness will work again. We've also got the fascia panel. Now this is only available in black. We can paint them to match the vehicle dash colour. This customer's happy to keep it black. The radio's black, and to be honest, they just want the radio working. So let's get cracking, and I'll take some photos along the way. Right, so here we are. This is the Pioneer SPH DA77 DAB. Now this is a Pioneer custom-made panel for the Mk7 Golfs. It can take the Pioneer 7.7, the Pioneer 9-inch tablet screen and the 10. But what the 7.7 does, just like those other 2 units, is you've got wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless AndroidAuto, DAB. You've got normal FM, medium wave, long wave radio, Bluetooth connections for telephone, Bluetooth audio, auxiliary, USB, all bits and pieces like that. But what this also does is you've got car features. So with the car features and using the Pioneer UART interface, it comes up with your parking sensor information. It comes up with your vehicle heater controls if you have the auto aircon panel. Vehicle information like your tyres, door open, door closes, that all comes up. And then gauges if you have that feature on the vehicle as well. But what you can do also is you've got vehicle settings. So you can, obviously this doesn't have sport mode, but you can turn on your climate if you've got it and turn it off. But you've got your tyre settings, light settings, driver assistance, park assist, mirrors, time and date adjust, all that sort of stuff, and that will obviously change it on the center, on the instrument cluster as well. And this obviously works with factory parking sensors, factory camera if they have them. There we go, that's in reverse. There's somebody coming up the back there. So there we go. So if you've got a Mk7 Golf with factory radio problems, come and give us a call. Pretty cool.